everyone. Alright. Probably guessed already. It is I, Papa Jester. I am in my work shirt. Still got Bondo dust all over it. And I'm back in the workshop. Today, I was going to thread up my new spool of Overtrue matte PLA. Now, in recent months, Overtrue has switched to new packaging. So I'm like, oh, cool. I can't wait to see it. I've seen it. I'm not impressed. Alright, so here's where I throw in a clip to show you close up what this crap looks like. So that's a close-up of the first one. Now, let me show you a close-up of the other one. I'll probably get these out of order, but oh well. Okay, now that I've shown you both of them close up, I don't know which one I went with first, but you know what? I'll figure it out in editing. Alright, so let's go with the old one. Now, I tend to keep all my boxes like this because most of the stuff I print, well, miniatures for people, easily fit into these boxes, and they are great for shipping. So, my first big complaint is, well, normally in this box you get your spool wrapped up in normally a sealed with a bag of desiccant in there spool PLA, and you usually get a build surface in here, which I use on my Monoprice Mark III Mini? Anyways, tried using the steel bed for the longest time, tried using glue. It just never worked. Slapped on one of these build surfaces, boom, all problem solved. You used to get one free. I really like that. And when you bought specialty kinds, you got cool stickers. So, moving on, past the box. Remember, I'm still keeping my boxes. Next was the bag. Well, as you can see, the one that normally comes out is resealable. I would use these things to put other spools in, but more than normally, use some big, handy, thick bags that are resealable. Who can't use those in a shop to box up bits, pieces, powders, everything? These things come in real handy. Next, we go on to the spool. Plastic, nice, clear lettering and marking. You can tell how many let's see, how many meters of material you have left at a quick glance, how many grams you have left. Look at that, black, clear labeling. Remember that. I'm going to come back to that one because that was the first thing that set me off. Now, if you go on Thingiverse, you also see that a lot of people use these spools for everything. I've read and watched some people that have the luxury of buying an extruder. They would grind these things up, reheat them, and extrude them as new filament. That's honestly, that's why I keep saving all my spools. Yes, I'm cheap. I will get every last cent out of here. Other people would use these for storage. If you go on Thingiverse, you can see there's multiple different designs. People have printed little doors that you bolt in from the top, and they fit around in circles, and you just pop them out. They're great for like nuts, bolts, little bits and pieces, everything. And they would stack them on these towers, and you'd have a total bits tower. It was great. Alright, so that's the old one. Alright, Overtrue. Let's get into the new one. Okay, cool. Box has changed. No more sticky. New graphic. That's actually very convenient. All the websites for Overture for the different countries. Other than that, oh, and look, you can do that for Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Ain't that great? Overtrue filled. Well, let's open it up. Oh, and look here. No build surface. That's gone. Oh, printing settings. Hey, that's kind of useful. I actually have to keep hold of that, use it for reference. And new packaging notification. Ooh, isn't that great? You cut down on stuff so you'd be more environmentally friendly, yet you include this notice in every package. So we'll be getting these notices for the next 3 fragging years. Yep. No build space. Build surface. Sorry. Still saving the box. At least I can still use that. Now the bag. As you can see, I already opened it up. And there's desiccant. You still got the little frick bag of desiccant. But I want you to check out something here. This is not reusable. And before you say, oh, you just cut through the part was reusable. No. No. There's the top part of the bag. That was heat sealed. It's no longer reusable. Probably cheaper that way. So, hey, congratulations, Overtrue. Your packaging is now less useful, and congratulations, you've made more stuff to go in a landfill. Alright, now we get on to the other part. I know you wanted to be friendly with the universe, biodegradable. It's now made out of cardboard. It'll break down a lot easier. You know what happens to just about 75% of the cardboard in the United States? Goes into a landfill. Hey, congratulations. You added more to go into the landfill. Oh yeah, it'll biodegrade. Still more going into the landfill for our generation, and maybe the next one to deal with. Also, it's cardboard. So guess what, guys? You ain't gonna be grinding these down for free filament, as little as that was. Oh, and you're not gonna be able to use them for storage or any other product, because they're cardboard. Cardboard. Piece of crap. Now, this is the matte, but the matte PLA, because it was a couple of dollars cheaper and I'm trying to cut corners and I just need something to make stuff with. I'm going to wind up painting anyway. But this is the new spool design for Overtrue. So, wait, let me show you something here. From across the room, which one are you going to be more likely to easily tell how much material you got left? I'm willing to bet you can easily, from this distance, at least have a good approximation of, you know, where your stuff is. How about this one? My eyes ain't that good nowadays. And even at close range. Close up. It's right there. Right there. Even close up is hard to read. It's not clearly indicated. It's not easily referenceable. Nope. Not at all. So, I really hope the quality of your product hasn't changed, Overtrue. I really do. But as far as your packaging goes, for reusable and trying to lessen your footprint, you have failed. But I am going to give you a D. A complete failure. That was a good point. I still reuse the box. So, D minus. Thank you for putting more things in our landfills. Thank you for yet stripping the hobbyist of yet another piece of material that you can make stuff with. Thank you, Overtrue. Oh, I almost forgot. Last time I checked, there was no way you could say, hey, corporate, I know you used to put stickers in your boxes, and I have a couple. Were there any more? Were these a limited run? Do you have any, say, left in your packaging plant or whatever? I would like to purchase some. Nope. They just came in our boxes. That's the standard answer they give you. Oh, which boxes are that? The special material. Last time I bought special material, last 4 times I bought special material, no such thing. Reached out, see what's going on. Oh, we don't do that. Not anymore. So, let's rehash. No more build surface. No more reusable bag. No more reusable spool. The box is okay. And no unique Overture stickers in the special fucking material. Oh, dude, man. You know, you get some loyal customers and they say, hey, man, you made some unique stickers. Yeah, it's a crazy thing, but yeah, you know how people are. They like to stick their favorite stickers of their products on shit, especially when they craft stuff. Yeah, thank God for legal Delta 8 products. I can't believe you guys did this. This is such a letdown. Alright. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go shoot the close-ups, and most of all, I'm gonna have lunch. 'Cause I'm hangry, and you pissed me off with your piss-poor packaging. To save money, you dick.
Hello, I am Professor Ballface. Thank you for watching my video on the review of these products. Please remember to like and share this review. Tell your friends about me. Okay, bye-bye. Remember, I put out more videos almost every week. If I'm not fighting Depression Demon! Goodbye!